Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I was sitting here making a necklace and I decided to turn the camera on after I had made the darn thing. But it's just as simple as me, just threading the wire and closing it off. The pendant, I think I have a video showing how I made the pendant. I am going to see if I do have one, and then I'll embed it in this video so you can see how I make these mass pendants. But I went ahead and coupled the hand painted beads with these turquoise howlite beads. Not a lot going on, just two different beads kind of coupled together with a couple of coconut beads, and I think those are just colored wood beads down there. This one is also going to go in my fair store. And then I made a little dinky pair of earrings. Just a cute little pair of earrings to go with it. And it's not a whole lot going on with it, but it's a whole lot going on with it. It's two different beads. And with those little beads right here, and then the pendant. Because I was looking, I was like, should I put more beads on it, some different beads? But I was like, no, it's already busy and it's basically, two beads. So I'm like, yeah, that's a lot. And then the pendant is giving you a lot of action too. So I was like, okay, well, I don't want to make it too busy. So I like the way it came out. Yeah, it came out really nice. So I really like this one. I am working on a lot of sets to put on the fair platform. And I do need to update the website, the Jewelry by BDK website too. I haven't done anything to that or added any new product on there in a while. I've just been working on so much different stuff. I'm like, wow, projects that have nothing to do with jewelry making, and then some jewelry making, but pieces, like for private clients. Been doing that. Just been doing a whole lot. And then trying to get a little rest in between. But I really like the way this came out. And today is Monday. So I hope everybody have a really good day and make it a grand week, because we'll look up and we'll be at Friday before we know it. I was just saying on another video that I post on my Facebook page. Oh, and if anybody want to follow me on my private page, it's Darlene, Darlene, last name Knight, Knight. So if you want to find me on Facebook on my personal page, that's where you can find me at. I do a lot of personal videos on there, a lot of little different stuff. You know how we do on Facebook. Not private stuff, but just, some posts here and there. You can also join the group, the Jewelry by BDK Creators Zone on Facebook if you want to join the group. Post pictures of all your, your designs, your creations, ask questions, get some inspiration, all that good stuff. Really good group of people over there in that group. Really, really, really nice. And that's it for the day. I think I'm going to make a couple more necklace sets for today. I will come back with another video. And I'll probably videotape me doing that one. I just be thinking there's nothing to it. I'm just stringing, some beads on some wire and closing it off. So to me, it's like it's really nothing to see or nothing to learn, because I do have videos, showing me doing that. But finished product. But anyway, thank you for all the new subscribers, all our current subscribers. And be sure to have a good day. We'll talk soon.